Oh goodness. It looks really big on camera. Is it too big? Could never be too big. Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I was grilling, you know, minding my business. I had all this food and then I'm like, I have no dessert. I had a taste for cake and I definitely didn't feel like putting it in the oven. So I'm like, what would happen if I tried to like bake this cake on the grill? It has to work, right? Because it's heat. So I decided to do a little experiment and to see if I can bake a decent edible cake on the grill, one that doesn't taste like grilled food, you know, or charcoal. I want to show you guys, you know, how it turned out and what that process was like. It was quite interesting, darling. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and press on that notification bell for me, please, because I definitely would appreciate that. Let's get started. This is gonna be fun. So here's my delicious grill Cakenistas. It's my charbroil grill. I was grilling food earlier. Yeah, it's really hot. It's gonna be hot like this probably for a few hours. Here's my cake batter. I flavored it with almond extract. It's just my favorite vanilla cake batter. And I have it in a 6-inch cake pan. I sprayed it with some nonstick spray. This is really, really hot. So I'm gonna put it kind of off center from the, oh no, wait, hold on, ashes. So I also could put it up here. That's probably even better.
Indirect heat at its finest.
Exactly. Indirect heat, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. So I'm gonna close it and we're gonna see what happens. Alright you guys, so it's been about 30 minutes since I put in the cake. Not even gonna lie, I don't know what to expect. There's still some serious heat in there. Okay. It's like a slow cooking cake. It's been 31 minutes. I don't expect to get browning. If we do, then I'll be really surprised. I'm assuming it's gonna be about another 30 minutes since it's still completely wobbly in the center. I'm kind of excited about this, and then we'll see if cooking it on the grill changed the texture at all. I just took my cake out of the grill and take a look at this. It even got browning on it. It looks so beautiful. It rose a little bit. It's not sticking to the pan. The texture feels very, very normal. The edges are crispy, but they're still nice and soft and bouncy. I'm so impressed, you guys. Now I'm going to decorate my cake as I normally would. I'm going to level it off by cutting off the top and then split it in half. And I'm actually trying out this almond cake and pie filling that I have been wanting to try by Solo for so long. I covered the cake in some regular frosting. This was actually a combination of a whole bunch of different colors, like a rainbow frosting, and when I combined them all, it turned into this pink. I just finished it off with some jewel sprinkles and some snowflakes because sometimes in the middle of summer you need to be reminded of something cool. And that was my barbecued cake, like grilled cake on the grill, and that was so awesome. Leave all of your comments and questions down below, and I will see you guys soon. Couture and a grilled cake. Bye guys. In case you're wondering, this was a gas grill, but I have turned my gas grill into a charcoal grill just until I actually get the whole gas tank situation hooked up. I'm just gonna keep it simple, stupid. That's the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. I learned that in culinary school. I wasn't playing around. If you would like to see some of my grilling videos, you can check out my Ohemgee Foodie channel. How did the cake turn out? I'm sure you're wondering. When I took that first bite, I was like, oh, something's different. And you know, you're chewing. It was just a little bit dense. And that's to be expected because it it was on the grill for like literally, I went out, I came back, it was probably on there for 2 hours. The reaction didn't happen fast enough with the bicarbonates, the, you know, the baking powder that I put in there. It didn't rise fast enough. It was a very slow process. I don't know if it's just me because I'm like nitpicky about the stuff that I make. Where I noticed that it was done, everybody else was like, oh, let me get another side. Can I take it home? I wish I had a thermometer in there to see what temperature it was. You get your grills to 350 degrees or whatever your recipe calls for, it should bake at that appropriate time. So considering that it took twice or 3 times the amount of time, it was probably at like maybe 200 degrees or something like that. No, it did not taste like grilled food. I mean, I had all types of food on there too. You could see a cob of corn. To see some of my grilling videos, hop over to my Ohemgee Foodie channel. You can check that out by clicking right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, Cake Nieces.